So you want to make some money, huh? You want to get in on this quick cash. You want to know the hot stocks for tomorrow to get in on, right? I know, that's why you're here. And if it's your first time joining me or anybody who's returning, I want to first of all welcome you here. And if you don't know who I am Stock Money Aston. It's my job to find great stocks at great prices to get in at. And then guess what? I share them with you. Because I'm a good guy, I got a big heart, and I want everybody to make a lot of money. Now, in today's video, we're going to be touching on a few things. First off, we're going to take a look at the market today because we got to stay up to date. We got to stay in the know. Also, number two, we're going to see how my plays from last time did so we can assess how we're doing and stay up to date on that as well. And number three, I'm going to give you my blazing hot stocks for tomorrow so that you can make some money yourself. Now, you definitely want to keep an eye on these because we've been setting it off all since last week. The picks from last week were on fire so much, we damn near scorched a hole in the earth's crust. Man, they were blazing. If you were able to get in on any of those, you should have made some money. I'm talking about plays like Alibaba, like Tesla, like NEO. These things ran like 5 to 10% after I called them. So you had a short opportunity, a small window to get in on, and then they just took off. I mean, you made money, real good money, really quickly. So we're going to try to continue that pace, continue with this money making, and get it done. Now, if anything I've said so far interests you, make sure you hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date and turn on that notification bell, baby, because that's the only way to get the plays on time. You want to be first in, first out so you can get that money all day, every day. And if anything, I mean anything in this video piques your interest, helps you clear things up, or if you got a question for me, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll show you some love, I'll return the favor, and I'll make sure I try to give you the best knowledge I can. Now with that said, you also want to make sure you got access to the pre-market and the aftermarket. By that, I mean you want access to the extended trading hours. So make sure you do your research and you check with your broker to make sure you have this. And if you don't, consider signing up for Webull. Also in the description to this video, I'll leave my link to Webull. And if you use that and you set up a new account, not only do you get access to the extended hours, but you can also get a free stock when you sign up for a new account and deposit at least $100. So come on, who doesn't like free money? I know you do because I do. So just get with the program. If you don't already have a broker or you don't have the extended hours, go ahead, join. We both win. Now, with that said, I want to let you know also in today's video, I'll be touching on my thoughts on crypto and where I see the future of crypto going and how to invest in it right now. So you definitely want to stick around to the end of the video to make sure you check that out. Now, with all of that said, let's get into how the market did today. We had the NASDAQ up about 1%. We had the S&P 500 up about 1/4%, and then we had the Dow Jones down about 0.5%. So we had a mixed bag today, but with the S&P and NASDAQ both being up, they both set record highs today. So we are still going strong in the market. It's a great time to be an investor. Looking at my first pick from yesterday, it was Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. This stock finished today up slightly, up about almost 1/4% or 27 cents to finish at $149.94. The intraday low on this stock was $147.08 and the intraday high was $150.93. If you were able to get in on a little bit of weakness this morning, you were up towards the end of the day. But this was not a magnificent play today, but it still made you a little bit of money. Moving on to my next play from yesterday was Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. This one ended the day up over 3% or up $2.65 to finish at $83 even. It had an intraday low of about $80.19 and an intraday high of $83.85. So basically the low of today was where it finished at on Friday. So it didn't provide much weakness, but just getting into the play anyway, or if you had already picked some of this up from last week, you did see a substantial increase in today's price, so you were able to walk away with good profits, which I was able to, and hopefully you were also. Looking at my last pick from Friday was Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. This one finished the day up about 2.25% or up 60 cents to finish at $27.38. It had an intraday low of 26.86 and an intraday high of 27.50. This one, as well as the last one, did not provide much weakness, but if you got into play today or if you were already in it, you made good profits today. So overall, my 3 plays from my last video did decent today if you got in them anyway, or if you were already in them. Now moving on, my first pick of today is Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. Now, as I've stated last week or in previous videos, this is a gaming company who focuses on hardware for gamers and streamers. They don't necessarily make games, but they make the utilities to play games. And this is a very respected company in the gaming space. They just acquired another company, so they should have a lot of growth ahead. That is my thesis for this company. Corsair Gaming finished today down 1.5% or down 52 cents to finish today at $33.35. I'm looking to get in on this one on some weakness tomorrow, preferably under $33, and then I will ride this one out because this stock should provide nice profits within the relative future, and it's down a lot in the last few months. So this is a great price to get in on. Moving on to my second pick of the day is JD.com, the e-commerce giant in China. They have a lot of business and they are continually growing their business. And if you do your research, you'll see they are also linked to Walmart. So they're doing business in China, they have some Walmart backing, and they're in a growing economy with an e-commerce business. They should have a bright future, or at least I presume so. So looking at today's chart, JD finished the day down 1.5% or down $1.11 to finish at $77.12. Now this stock, as well as the last one, has been under a lot of pressure as of late. So I feel there is a lot of room to go when this stock turns around. So I want to get in now at these low prices, and then when it starts to turn around, I want to make a quick profit. Hopefully that happens tomorrow and I can make a quick buck and I can do this all over again, time and time again. Now moving on to my third and final pick for tomorrow, that is the Tattooed Chef Company, ticker symbol TTCF. This company is in the alternative meat space, and they have a lot of products that they are launching and that they have previously launched, and they're getting a lot of traction and a lot of internet buzz. Plus, I heard there are a lot of good reviews when it comes to their actual products taste. I haven't tried their products myself, but just looking at the reactions of other people, it's pretty convincing. And with everything they have in store, this should be a great story going ahead. Tattooed Chef stock finished today up about 1.5% or up 25 cents to finish at $20.25. It had a day low of $19.95 and a day high of $20.28. I'm looking to pick this one up on weakness under the $20 range. This stock has been under a lot of pressure lately, but there has been excitement in and out of it. It's been mentioned as a Wall Street bet stock, and with everything going on, it should see some growth. This stock has been volatile lately, so hopefully when I get in, I can make a decent amount of profits relatively quickly. So with that pick, you know all of my hot stocks for tomorrow. So let's turn up the heat so we can get this thing boiling, baby. I want to get sizzling. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, guys, now that we got our plays for tomorrow, I want to spend just a quick second touching on crypto and the cryptocurrency market. Now, if anybody that doesn't know, cryptocurrency is basically internet money, as a lot of people refer to it. That's a simple way to think about it. Crypto has only been around for a few years and it's based off new technology known as blockchain, so that it's supposed to be seamless in the transactions and it's supposed to be untraceable. Now, has that been proven out 100%? Not really, because there are some things going on and some stories, some hacks that happen that kind of show that might not be the case, but that's what it's supposed to be. Anyways though, currently in the crypto market, things are down a lot. And by a lot, I mean pretty much like 50%. So there's been a lot of hits in the crypto market lately. Now, people are wondering, should they invest in crypto? And my thoughts on that is that crypto is here to stay. So I would say it's not a bad idea to invest in crypto, but you just don't want to get in at the top. And right now, it's not at the top. So it's not a bad time to get in crypto. I personally think crypto will be the future of money, but not all crypto, because crypto was started with Bitcoin, then it moved on to Ethereum, and then it rolled and snowballed into all these other coins known as altcoins. So there's a lot of options when it comes to cryptocurrency as far as what to invest in. My actual personal favorite though is Ethereum, because I actually believe in the idea of smart contracts. Now you need to do your own research on that to see if that one's for you or to see if another one is. But in the long-term mindset, I believe crypto will just continue to rise. So if you want to be a part of crypto, I advise you to invest in it slowly over time. Like right now, while we're down, it's not a bad time to get started if you don't already have some. And if you do already have some, it's not a bad time to add to your portfolio. And I would also recommend maybe picking up a few different altcoins or a few different types of cryptocurrency, because who knows which one is going to be the main one in the future. I don't know, and no one knows. And when it comes to crypto right now, it's pretty much still a guessing game. Everyone or a lot of people will kind of go over why this one goes up, why that one goes up, what's going to the moon next, as you may be aware of how Dogecoin or Dogcoin went up. But honestly, no one knows. These things, cryptos, are not really based on much. I mean, you can look at what's known as the white papers, which pretty much go over why the cryptocurrency was invented, but that doesn't guarantee it's going to go up. I mean, a lot of these, they are based on good ideas, and the meaning behind them is pretty good, but you don't really know what's going to happen in the future. Nobody knows the future, not me, not anybody else, not these other guys on the internet. So you just got to do your own research and figure out for yourself what's right for you. From that link that I told you about before in the description of the video to Webull, you can also buy crypto through that app. So if you don't have any crypto, you can get you some as well through that app. Now, with all that said, just keep in mind, guys, that I am not a fortune teller and I do not know the future, nor am I a financial advisor. So you need to do your own research and do your own due diligence before investing, because when you're investing in crypto or the stocks, you want to be able to sleep good at night. And I'm telling you, if you don't do your research when something goes down, it makes it very hard to. And also, when stocks go down, if you know what you're dealing with and you know what kind of company you're invested in, it's a lot easier to buy more. And then when it goes up, you kind of know when to sell based on what's going on. I want to leave you guys on that note. That's enough of me jabbering. Hope everybody has a great day. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Get ready for more hot stocks and get ready to make some money. All right, peace.